Hey guys, it's your girl Stacy here again, and I have come with another banger. Another banger, guys. This is the original banger. Okay, so I came today for us to try these two ingredients for the face. Yeah, we are all natural. We're looking for natural stuff, natural things that can help us in our everyday lives, natural things for the hair, natural things for the face, natural things for the nose, natural things for the lips, natural things for the eye, natural things for the body, Okay, so guys, I'm here today with two ingredients that is best known for one particular thing, and that is anti-age. Okay, for those who might find this funny, it actually works. Okay, it actually works, and trust me, it works. If you do it right, it works. So guys, this is no other. If you guys know me right now, I deal with some certain ingredients that I always repeat. I repeat it over and over again because of the fantastic benefits you can get from such ingredients. Okay, so today we're going to be using only two ingredients for this process, or for this, sorry, pardon me. Okay, pardon me if I choke at some point. Yeah, I'm still a beginner. Okay, so we are using two ingredients today. Those two ingredients are one, ta-da! We'll be using, I love this so much. I love it because it does so much for me. If you should see my face as of 6 months ago, you will not believe that it is what it is today. Okay, so this has done miracle for me. So superb. That is why I included in most of the things that I use for my face especially. Okay, so one of the ingredients we'll be using today is banana, and the second one is yogurt, pure yogurt. Okay, yogurt, pure yogurt. So I'm going to blend the both together, and then it becomes a paste, and we use it for our face, for my face. So I'll be using it for my face, and then after that I'll leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll see what it does. Yeah, see what it does. Yeah, you see what it does. You see, the sweetest part is when all these things are things that you can just, it's not things that I have to buy $500. I don't have to buy $1,000, but still it works for me. Why won't I be happy? Why won't I be glad? Why won't I be to tell the story? Yeah. So I'm coming. I'll be right back. Let me blend it and get back to you guys. So guys, I'm back. And this is what the mixture looks like. It looks delicious though. I don't want to pour it. This is what the mixture looks like. It looks delicious and smells good. Unfortunately, we are applying it on the face. So let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah. Smells good. This is anti-aging formula. Who doesn't want to look young? Who doesn't want to look young? who doesn't want to look fantastic? Okay, if you don't want to, I do. I do so much. Oh, the filling is fantastic already. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What a filling. It's so cold and so awesome. Oh, wow. I want to put it everywhere because I don't want any place to age. I want to put it everywhere. If possible, put it inside my eyes. I don't want my eyes to age as well. Just kidding. Okay, guys, I'm done with the application. So I'm gonna wait for 15 to 20 minutes and then see how it looks like and wash it off with lukewarm water. Okay, guys, after 20 minutes, actually it looks so flaked. Wow, so good. So guys, wanted to show you what it looks like after 20 minutes. It's so dry and so... Okay, guys, I'll be back. Want to go wash it off and show you guys. Your girly sounds slick. Is it slick or flick? Okay, whichever. Your girly song flick. Oh my gosh, guys, this is the end result. I feel like licking my face. I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. I have never and ever loved my face and my skin the way I do after using all these ingredients. They are superb, guys. They are superb. I love it. I feel so good. Super good. It's a must try. Please, guys, you need to try this. You need to experience this with me. Okay, guys, this is the end of this episode, end of this tutorial. So guys, it's a must try. It's a must try, guys. It's a must try. Oh my gosh, my skin looks so bright. What? Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay with me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. And my return subscribers, you guys are the best. I love you guys so much. Peace.